Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Gramps Saggy Balls, aka Gramps. Welcome to Moto TV dinner. Today we're going to talk about my Cfmoto 450 SS, and we're going to be installing this Nelson Rigg tail bag right on here. This one here I got is the Nelson Rigg Commuter Lite. I think it's the perfect size for this, as you can see here. Not too bad, right? But I'll insert a picture right now of the one that's like the medium size, the Commuter. I have that for my MT-07, and next to you know, it's a little too big for this. So the Commuter Lite is the perfect size for this, as you can see. All right. So first of all, you want to take your key, stick it down here in this hole, and open it up. All right. So now you're going to take your ties. They're going to be separate. You just want to tie them together, one little loop going through, and then tighten it. So the first one down here, you want to put it right here, right above this little socket thing right there, so it can close. It's a little windy out here today, so excuse me. All right, so we got that. Ooh. All right, and then this one, you want to stick it right underneath these right here. And you don't want to block these holes here, because these right here need to go in there. And then you can see it's a tight squeeze. Everybody knows it's real tight in here. So for me to get it fit in, I put it right there and right there. The next you know, stick it on there, this with this here, and then push down. And as you can see here, it doesn't come up, because I was having this issue when I first got it. The thing wouldn't close, excuse me. So if you stick it, let's say here, and let's move this one up here so you can't go over those. And then stick this right here. Oh, okay, so it slid down. But anyway, yeah, you don't want to cover those holes, because then this will pop up. Right here. Because this was what I was doing before. See right there? So let's close this real quick. See, it locks, as you can see, but there's a gap, and then see, it pops up. So I don't know if you can see, I got the right camera angle, but you want these tabs right here and the hole right there, like I said before, not in it. So like I said, underneath there, and then that's over that. Put it right there, and bada bing, bada boom. All right. And then next you know, you get the size you want, strap them down. And these are going to be a little longer. Only thing I did was cut them off and take a lighter and singe them, because if you don't singe them, all the string will be flying everywhere and getting long and all that. So, but there it is right there. Don't look too bad on it. And then this is the Nelson Rigg here. Reflective there, reflective piping around here. A lot of good space. Fit a visor in here. It comes with a, what's it called, rain bag over it. Comes with straps here, so you can carry it as a bag. Yeah, it holds a good amount. And then if you want to, which I use sometimes, it opens up even more, and bada bing. You can put a little more stuff in there. But definitely recommend this here. It's a nice little bag. That way you don't have to wear a backpack on your back all the time. Here's where I told you about that strap. It connects to there, and then you can wear it like a bag. But yeah, definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, ride safe. All right, bye.